Hi guys, Miss H here, creator of Meg's Music Room. Today I'm giving you a close-up of the flute. So give me a second and then I will start the Music Minute. Okay, it's time for your Music Minute. This is the flute. The flute is the smallest, highest instrument in the woodwind family. It has three sections: the head joint, the body, and the foot. Sometimes they call it the foot joint. When you zoom in closer, you see keys, and when you push down one key, a lot of times it'll move more than one because it's a machine. So look at this, cool, huh? Up here at the head, we have a lip plate here, and then this hole is called the embouchure hole. Now I know that you want to see up close, so here we go. Okay, that's the inside of the flute from the embouchure hole. If you go to the middle, you can see these right here. This is how a flute works. It's a lot like the recorder, except your finger doesn't have to cover the hole all by itself. That's what the keys do. And then I know you want to see this. I love looking in the inside of things. So that's the inside of the flute. Oh, you can see all the way down. How cool is that? All right, so stay tuned and you can hear my talented cousin play the flute. And that's pretty good on time too. Check out my other Music Minutes. Subscribe to my YouTube channel for updates. Click the links in the description below for my social media sites and for other great resources. And don't forget Meg's Music Room, a music teacher's best friend.